Welcome to the Guess Animal Sound game. Can you guess the animal sound in 10 seconds? Let's see. So, what did you hear? Cow. Okay, next one. Tell me, what did you hear? Camel. Next. What did you hear? Duck. Okay, next. Okay, so what did you hear? Snake. Okay, next. Tell me, what did you hear? Squirrel. Next. What did you hear? Dolphin. So, next one. What did you hear? Hippopotamus. Okay, next. What did you hear? Monkey.